In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page with Elementor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a page, design it with flexible building blocks, and take it live on your site. First, from your WordPress dashboard, head to Pages, then choose Add New. You'll land on a blank page screen. Give your page a clear, descriptive title in the title field. This becomes the page name and helps generate the URL. Keep it short and meaningful so visitors and search engines understand what it's about. You can always adjust the slug later if needed. Next, click Edit with Elementor. The Elementor editor will open, showing a live preview of your page in the main canvas and a panel on the left with widgets and settings. Think of the canvas as your page and the left panel as your toolbox. At the very bottom, you'll see controls for settings, history, and publish. If something doesn't look right as you work, the history panel makes it easy to undo changes. Now it's time to add sections and widgets. Click the plus icon in the canvas to add a new section, then pick a structure. 1 column for simple layouts, or 2 and 3 columns for more complex designs. After the section is in place, drag a heading widget from the left panel into your section and type your headline. Use the Style tab to adjust typography, color, and alignment so it matches your brand. Add a text editor widget beneath it for your body content, and fine-tune spacing in the Advanced tab with padding and margin for a polished look. To make the page more engaging, drag in an image widget. Choose an image from your media library or upload a new one, set the size and alignment, and add alt text for accessibility. Want a call to action? Drop in a button widget, update the text, link it to the right page, and style it so it stands out. You can duplicate columns to build faster, rearrange elements by dragging handles, and open the navigator for an organized view of your layout. For visual impact, click the section handle and set a background color or image. Just keep readability in mind with proper contrast. When you're happy with the layout and content, click Publish. Elementor will confirm the page is live, and you can view it immediately. You can always return to the editor to refine content, update styles, or expand the layout over time. That's it. Your new page is created with Elementor and published for your visitors to see.